Priority traffic road signs in Germany. Stop. Give way, yield. Priority road. End of priority road. Give way to oncoming traffic. Priority over oncoming traffic. Stop ahead. Give way ahead.
Warning traffic road signs in Germany. Curve. Series of curves. Crossroads with priority to the right. Crossroads with a minor road. Traffic signals. Two-way traffic. Traffic queues. Steep ascent. Steep descent. Pedestrian crossing. Pedestrians. Children. Cyclists. Domesticated animals. Wild animals. Road narrows. Uneven surface. Slippery surface. Loose surface material. Soft or low verges. Ice or snow. Fog. Falling rocks. Crosswinds. Unprotected body of water. Opening bridge. Low-flying aircraft. Trams. Level crossing. Level crossing. Roadworks. Other danger.
Prohibitory traffic road signs in Germany. No entry. No vehicles. No motor vehicles. No motor vehicles except motorcycles without sidecar. No motorcycles. No mopeds. No pedal cycles. No heavy goods vehicles. No buses. No trucks pulling a trailer. No vehicles pulling a trailer. No agricultural vehicles. No animal-drawn vehicles. No vehicles carrying dangerous goods. No vehicles carrying explosives or inflammables. No vehicles carrying water pollutants. Height limit. Width limit. Length limit. Weight limit. Weight limit per axle. No stopping. No parking. Restricted parking zone. No overtaking. No overtaking by heavy goods vehicles. No U-turn. Minimum following distance between vehicles. No pedestrians. Speed limit. Speed limit zone.
Mandatory traffic road signs in Germany. Go straight. Turn right. Turn right. Go straight or turn right. Turn left or right. Roundabout. Keep right. Route for vehicles carrying dangerous goods. Minimum speed limit. Footpath. Cycle path. Shared pedestrian and cycle path. Segregated pedestrian and cycle path. Bridle path.
Special regulations traffic road signs in Germany. One-way traffic, left. Pedestrian crossing. Living street. Pedestrian zone. Cycle street. Bus lane. Tunnel. Tunnel. Start of expressway. Start of motorway.
Indication traffic road signs in Germany. No through road, dead end. First aid. Bus stop. Taxi stand. Parking. Parking garage. Lane configuration. Emergency lay-by. National border. National speed limits. European motorway numbers. National motorway numbers.
D-restriction traffic road signs in Germany. End of speed limit. End of speed limit zone. End of no overtaking. End of no overtaking by heavy goods vehicles. End of all previously signed restrictions. End of minimum speed limit. End of living street. End of expressway. End of motorway.